Good morning to you all, dear students. So today we're going to start with a new topic under block 23, that is coordinates of a place. All right, coordinates of a place. And I hope you still remember, okay, what is equator, prime meridian, latitude and longitude. The middle one is the prime meridian. This is an equator, okay, which divides the earth into two equal half. This one is the east, west, north and south. Eastern hemisphere, northern hemisphere, western hemisphere and southern hemisphere. Okay, all right, so I hope you still remember. Now our aim for today is students will be able to identify coordinates, all right, of and mark the position of place, that is using coordinates. Okay, so resources needed is chart paper with a grid from S3 drawn on it. So worksheet S3, notebook, exit content book, atlas. So these are the resources that you'll be needing for your class. Okay, so I want all of you to get ready with chart paper or any other paper. Okay, and you have to draw the grid like this. Okay, so we will also learn the meaning of what is grid. Keywords for today is grid and coordinates. So first of all, let us learn what is actually grid and what is coordinate. Okay, from a simple definition. Now you will see that grid is a rectangular area of squares of rectangles of equal size, such as in a crossword puzzle. All right, so grid is something referring to this. Okay, so this is called grid. All right, and what is coordinates? A number representing the position of a point along a line, arc or similar one-dimensional figure. So coordinates is, suppose this is a grid. Okay, so and coordinates are number like 1 2 3 or 23 degree, 24 25 like that. Okay, so coordinates are the number, okay, the position, number representing the position of a point along a line. All right, so I want all of you to open a political map of India. Okay, and choose any city that you see on the map without naming the city or pointing it in the map. Explain its location to your partner. So for this, since you'll be alone, what you do is you have to choose any city, okay, that you see on the map. The map I will show you without naming the city or pointing it to the map. All right, you choose any city. Okay, from here there are lots of cities. Okay, so you choose any city from here. All right, there are lots of cities. Okay, so you choose any city. Am I clear? And then without naming the city or pointing it in the map, you have to explain. All right, where it is located. Okay, I hope you are following. Okay, so see, talking about here. Okay, was it easy or difficult to explain the location of the city you choose without naming or pointing out to it? Was it easy or was it difficult to explain the location of the city you choose without naming or pointing out to it? So today we will use, okay, latitude and longitude to find places on Earth. We will use latitude, longitude like that, okay, to find places on map. Am I clear? So okay, I will show you a grid. Okay, so this grid with some important cities of India's mark on it. Okay, so there is a grid in S3. So this, it marks the important cities of India. Okay, so from there I want all of you to see. So see, write the coordinates of the following cities: New Delhi, Patna, Jaipur, Kolkata. Right, so you will find more clear picture in your worksheet S3. Okay, I hope you all have your S3, okay, worksheet with you. So there are places marked in the grid. So as I told you, these are grid. Okay, these are grid, grid, grid. the line, right? Those line, they are known as grid, and these are coordinates. The number representing are coordinates. So the places out here are New Delhi, right? New Delhi, Patna, okay, Kolkata, and okay, Jaipur. All right, this is New Delhi, sorry, New Delhi, Jaipur, Patna, and Kolkata. So you have to indicate, you have to mark, okay. uh, you have to write the coordination of the following cities. Coordination means where they are located, in which position, all right, based on the number, okay. So this thing you please find, okay, by yourself. Am I clear? So okay, you already know the horizontal line and latitude. Horizontal line are latitude and the vertical line are longitude. Yes or no? So uh, you already know the horizontal and vertical, okay. Horizontal are this one, okay, and then these are vertical line. Okay, these are horizontal line and these are vertical line, okay. So you already know now, since we have learned, okay. So the grid shows us that New Delhi is on latitude 28 degree north and longitude 77 degree east. All right, so you'll see here from the grid, okay, talking about this, that New Delhi is in 22 degree, okay. You'll see that New Delhi is in 28 degree north and longitude 77 degree east, 28 and 77. So you'll see here that New Delhi is located on 28 degree north, 28 degree north, all right, and then 77 degree east. So 28 degree north and 77, talking about this line, okay, 77 degree east. You'll find even in your S3, okay. That is how you are supposed to find for Patna, okay, Jaipur, and Kolkata as well. Am I clear? So it is latitude 28 degree north and longitude 77 degree east. All right, that is how you are supposed to find for the race as well, okay. Now you have to open your S3 and you have to write the location, as I told you, the location of Patna, Jaipur, and Kolkata using the grid. So one has been done for you, right, regarding New Delhi, where it is located. All right, 28 degree north and 77 degree east. So that one has been done for you. Similarly, you find for Jaipur, Patna, and Kolkata, okay. So see, you'll find that Srinagar, okay, that is 34 degree north and 74 degree east. So Srinagar is 34 degree north and 77 degree east. Gandhinagar is 23 degree north and 72 degree east. Gangtok is 27 degree north and 88 degree east. Daman is 20 degree north and 72 degree east. All these are represented in the grid, okay. All right, so similarly, say Srinagar is at 34 degree north and 74 degree east. So you have to demonstrate using the latitude and longitude to locate its position on the grid on the chart paper. So the grid which I told you to make it in your chart paper or A4 size paper or any paper, okay. So you indicate first the coordinates. All right, the coordinates means either you are starting from 0 degree north, 20 degree east, like that, and then you have to indicate the place for Srinagar. This portion is the north, okay, and these are east. All right, so you have to indicate the latitude and longitude in the grid with Srinagar. All right, Now, on which latitude and longitude is Patna located, or Jaipur or Kolkata is located? Very simple. On which latitude and longitude is Patna located, Jaipur located, and Kolkata located? Okay, very easy. Okay, so you'll see that the location of a place in terms of latitude and longitude is known as the coordinates of a place. Okay, that is known as coordinates of a place. So the coordinates of Patna are 25° north and 85° east. The coordinates of Jaipur are 26° north and 75° east. And the coordinates of Kolkata are 22° north and 88° east. If you find from here, okay. So every answer is given here. So the coordinates of Patna is 25° and 85. Okay, Patna is 25 and 85. 25 and 85. Okay, here 85. So that is how you are supposed to find, okay, latitude and longitude. I hope you already know now. Now, what are the rules for writing the coordinates of a place? So in order to write the rules to write the coordinates of a place, how is the grid system useful? What are the rules for writing the coordinates of a place, and how is the grid system useful? Alright, when writing the coordinates of a place, we always write the latitude on which the place is located first, okay? And then we write the longitude. First of all, you need to write the latitude, okay, in which the place is located. Similarly, then the longitude. First the latitude, then the longitude. Long means always remember is upper one, okay? The latitude and the longitude. And the grid system, a grid system means this system, okay, help us explain the location of a place accurately, means where it is located exactly, how many latitude and longitude. All right, the last question: how are the coordinates of a city in India different from a city in Canada or from a city in Australia? So what are the how are the coordinates of a city in India different from a city in Canada or different from a city in Australia? What will be the differences you will find in the cities of India and to that of other part of the country, other part of the world? Okay, you'll see that uh, India, okay, it is in the northern and eastern hemisphere. All right, so India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere. If you compare in the globe, okay, in the globe you will find that India is located in the northern and eastern hemisphere, okay, somewhere related to this area. All right, so the coordinates of a city in India will always be number as degree north, number as degree east. And Canada is in the north and western hemisphere. So you'll see that since India is located in this direction, okay, you'll find that Canada is located on the north and west, means this side. All right, so you'll find that Canada is in the northern and western hemisphere. So the coordinates of a city where cities there will always be numbered as north and west. Similarly, Australia is in the southern and eastern hemisphere. So you'll find that Australia is in the southern and eastern hemisphere, means this area, okay. So Australia is always represented with all right, Australia is always represented with the number as east, okay, east degree and west degree, like that, okay. Yeah, south, S and E. All right, I hope you got it. Now things to do, you have to complete your Okay, practice question, okay, 6, 7, all right, 8 as well, along with worksheet S3. All right, 1 is already done, so you have to do for the rest as well. Take care and have a